A very happy 2022 to all my viewers, friends, and family members. Thanks a lot for encouraging me with your compliments, with your likes, and for subscribing my channel. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share my videos if you find any value in them. Today, during this time of the season, I wanted to bring this topic, which is about seasonal affective disorder. This is a mood disorder. It is also called SAD. Some people during this time of the year or during summer season, they feel that there are changes in their mood and they feel suddenly low, they feel lethargic, they don't feel like indulging in normal day-to-day activities, so their relationships suffer, their work suffers, and this is also a kind of depression. This is majorly seen in young adults, and women tend to suffer more than men from this disorder. During winter time, scientists believe that there are hormonal changes deep down in our brain. Serotonin is produced less, and which is what leads to regulation of moods. And when it is produced less, the neurotransmitters send less messages and the person feels depressed. In severe cases, the symptoms are much more severe, and in case of normal mood swings, person feels just cranky. The severe symptoms are like the person wants to remain alone, they eat much more food, they feel very sleepy throughout the day, they feel like committing suicide, there are negative thoughts. So all of this happens due to just change in the season. How can we prevent it and what is the treatment? The treatment basically should be that you should see your doctor or a therapist, and doctors, they provide with the light therapy, which is exposure for 10, 20, 30 minutes to light, which is more than 50 times the light that we generally remain in. This helps in lifting the mood, and this is of course done under therapist supervision. Then there is talk therapy. By talking to people, by having a conversation with your therapist on regular basis, the person can be brought out of this depression. Then there are antidepressants which can be given. So all this helps in retrieving the situation, in bringing the person back to the normal mood. This also happens during summer season. Here the person starts losing weight, losing appetite, less energy again, and sleep disorders are there. The improvement in mood is seen during spring season or autumn season. So this is majorly summer or winter depression. If you see any of your family member regularly going through this, or you are undergoing this change in your mood which is seen on a regular basis almost every year, you must seek therapy, you must visit your doctor, because this is a depression. And people who are already suffering from bipolar or already are depression patients, their situation can be severe during this season. I hope it helps in identifying anybody suffering from it. You can suggest, you can share this video, because at times we feel it is just a day-to-day thing and we do not give much presence, we don't give much care to our depression or our mental disorders. Dear friends, mental health is equally important. If you are not taking care of it, it can not only affect your own life but also the life of people around you in your relationships or at workplace. This is Indu Punj. I hope this video adds some value. Share it with your friends. Thank you. Keep watching.